Hello, my name is Tia Jones, and this presentation for Education 785 Spring AP2 section. I'll be covering the ISTE standards for students. We will discuss the knowledge constructor, computational thinker, global collaborator, and also the references I use for this presentation. Knowledge constructor. Well, what is it? Students have the responsibility of researching information in order to expand on their knowledge. Once students understand the information, then they will collaborate or teach the information to their classmates. How to apply this in the classroom? Students will simply have to research a topic, do a presentation, and also create a worksheet for the class to do as an assessment. This way, teachers not only making sure that the student that researched the topic have a full understanding, they also can check the students within the classroom to make sure they understood what their classmate discussed. Resources for teachers. Teachers should be encouraged to do at least one summative unit presentation in their classroom for their students. Meaning the school leader should probably have like an end of the year competition among different classrooms where one student is chosen to compete against other students. This will encourage students to put all their effort into their presentation for at least one summative unit. Computational thinker. What is it? Students create, solve problems, collect and analyze data, and also learn how to determine key information from research. Basically, students are able to read information, determine what is most important, create those high-level thinking questions, and be able to answer them, and also be able to analyze and summarize the information that they have researched. How to apply it in your classroom. Again, another presentation. This doesn't have to be a big summative presentation like I said for the previous slide, but it can be something smaller. It can be a simple PowerPoint, essay, or even poster for this presentation given within the classroom. The school leaders can help out with this event by making sure each student receives a device, meaning make sure it's a one-on-one device within the classroom. However, if that is not possible for the school, please make sure there are computer rooms available for teachers to allow their students to go in to create these wonderful research topics to be able to build on their PowerPoint, essay, or poster board presentation. Global collaborator. This is great for social studies, reading, ELA, and also science. It's a way to connect students with different places around the world. It enhances their understanding of different places around the world also. So, for example, in the classroom, you can create a dear stand. So teachers can connect with teachers in another country. Let's say if you learn about Africa, probably want to connect with a school in Kenya, and your students communicate with each other through letter form, learning about the different countries, right? The students in Africa can learn about America, and of course the students in America can learn about Africa. Also, let's just say you learn about a really important topic, like the Renaissance area. You might be able to do a tour of a museum in Florence in order to kind of enhance and make those connections between what you learn in the class and actual real life. This is great for visual and kinesthetic learners. How can the school leaders help the teachers? Well, simple. Apply for grants. Make sure those museum tours, make sure that the letters being sent across the country, and all the fun stuff that you need to have global collaboration is able to be paid for. Also, it is good if the principal build a relationship with other schools prior to the teachers getting the connection. Meaning, if that teacher in Kenya have their principal already in a relationship with the principal here in the United States, well, you know for sure that collaboration would be able to flow smoothly. And here are my references. I only used 3 for this wonderful presentation, but all 3 of them were very helpful. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.